everyone. Today we parked our car there, and we have come to Talsperre Saidenbach. It is a small drinking water dam very near to where we live, and yeah, the weather today is super nice, and they have shown here a gate which they use in dams. So there are some details written here. You can read on the top, Talsperre Saidenbach. And yeah, I'll just walk and show you around how pretty it is here today. I have seen many people here, a lot of cars, and there was this old man and a lady. I said hello to them, and then they started talking about where are you from and what are you doing here, and it is very hot today, and and you will see here that there are many walking, cycling trails. You will see this very nice exhibit which goes in this direction, so that's where we are going. So yeah, I was telling you about the old man and the lady, and then they told me there is this Cafe Sapana in the neighborhood, and it is a very international cafe, and a lot of people from around the world come and stop there, and they have this map where they put darts that where have they come from. Maybe you should visit that. Oh yes. And then I asked them if it is already open. They corrected my German, and yeah, it was a nice start of the walk while I was setting up my camera. But yeah, you can see the weather already. It looks very nice. It is not windy. It is very nice sunny weather today, and I've come at a very nice time where it is the weather is nice, and then you can see the greenery around this space. It is just so much pretty. It is phenomenal. I've come here multiple times before, but every time I come here at this place just fascinates me. Look around. This is so dense green grass, and then the whole jungle. And now we have walked close to this area, and you will see the landscape starting to change. What you will observe here is that there is a very deep valley there, and that's not where we will be going. That's the place where the water from the dam flows. So there is a river down there. So then you will see this valley starting going down, and then you will see that very nice place where one can sit and relax before they start going towards the dam. Just on the side of the road. This place is so nice and so pretty. Before we go in this direction, let me stop here and just see around. Previously there were only these benches here, which you can see, this one and this one, and then they later added this one, this nice hut. And now if it rains you have a small shelter. And if I go in this direction a little bit, you can see the grass is so dense. My feet are almost inside. And then you will see this nice view. Cannot see too much from here, but yeah, it is what it is. And then from this side you will see this very nice, I don't want to fall down, and then you will see this very nice view. Yeah. So pretty. One can come here with something to drink and something to eat. You can sit here for some time alone, relax, think about life, and then they can go onwards. I've come from this side and now I am going in this direction towards the dam. So let's go. I was sitting at home and today we cleaned our carpets. It was hard work and I was so tired and I really wanted to make a video, and then I was thinking, do I really want to go? But then the weather was so nice and I had a lot of time and I thought, why not? So yeah, and because of that, here we are. So we cannot bring our cars here, we have to park the cars back there where I showed you, and we can only come by walking. So it is mentioned here that no one should go there except the people who need to work. And then you will see already 2 trails going in this direction. Kohlritz, Greisweg, Mauerkato, Karone Rundweg, and so many more. This is a very nice area to trek. So if you go this way, we went there once, you will meet the river that comes out of the dam. But I will go this way. So this is where sometimes it is closed, most of the times it is open. Today it is open, and yeah, oh, so pretty. Let me show you the view. So this is the dam construction figures and images, and then this is the view. Very nice, so pretty. There they had some experiment. They cut off all the trees and now they've planted new ones there. This area is now more greener with more biodiversity, and we will just continue to go this way. This is also a very nice frame or a picture of this building in front of these lush green trees and overlooking this dam right there. A very nice corner. Oh, nice. And then we want to see from here what's down there. That's so cool. You can see the blue sky, the reflection of the trees in the water. So this is a drinking water dam. So there is no dustbin around. The area is very much restricted, and that is also one of the reasons it is very quiet. It is I will say, a hidden gem. Not a lot of people come here on a free day. But it's very nice. And then here is a placard or a poster with all details of what's the name, when was it built, how much, what's the size, what is the capacity, with some pictures. Very nice. And then this is what you will see here. The details of the water usually is here. This is the maximum height of the water. We walk here, and then you will see that there are penstocks here which go in this direction, and this is where the water flow is controlled. And yeah, and then from we will be standing here, and we will also see what is happening on this side, and we will also see what is happening on this side. And very nice. So we will be walking here along this path, and we will have a view in this direction and some view in this direction, and you will see that this is a whole jungle around. It has a lot of walking trails, and one can walk around. There is this very nice village in the back, in the back, so we can also drive and stop by there, and from there we can take trails, come around, go back, not from this side, from usually from this side as well. And one can also bicycle in the jungle, so that is also a very nice area. But yeah, pretty, no? So let's go. A lot of talking, let's go and see the view. Oh. I feel like I should just stop talking and absorb all that is available here. I remember this is the place. So once we came here and we brought some food to eat and drinks to drink, and we sat here, I remember, on this bench here, and then we had our small picnic once. It was fun. Good old days. Now we are on the dam. What you can see here is, I will just walk on this side so you can just enjoy this. This is pretty. What I would like to do is I would like to stop in the middle somewhere and stand still and just watch this for some time. Very nice view. This is where I'm walking. And this is the view. Let's stop here for some time and enjoy it. So pretty. I see someone there fishing. You probably will not be able to see this in the camera, but I see someone there fishing. I'm not sure if this is allowed here or not, but yeah. This is where I came from. So this is the path that I took to come here. Very nice frame in this direction as well, especially when the sun is shining there. Very nice. Blue sky, super clear water, nature, peace, silence. Let's continue to walk. We will look at the other side when we will come back, so then we will only look at the other side. Hello. So we are at the end of the dam, and now if you will see, we have come from there all the way here, across this, and I want to show you a view. This view. Oh, cool. So awesome. There is a small boat there. Can't go there, it is probably for the workers who work here. What I also see is that the water level is a bit lower now. The water is so clear. I don't know if you're able to see. I don't know if you can see, but the water is so clear, and then there is small fish in it roaming around, and one can see right through and see the bottom bed. Very nice. Enjoyed the view? I did. Okay, then let's go. I will go a little bit further to show what is on the other side, and then we will come back. Then one person comes to this side. There is a gate here as well, and then you will see all the details about different trails, and then you will see here Forsheim. That is the village at the end of the dam, and this is where you can also park your car, and then you can come here by cycling or by walking, whatever you like. Very nice place, very nice area, and then you also have several viewpoints to see this nature and beauty, and yeah, very nice area. And then this is the direction that goes to Forsheim. So it is written here that it is 3.7 kilometers to Forsheim in this direction, and by cycling Talsperre Rundweg, so if you go around Talsperre, it is 14 kilometers. Lippensdorf is in this direction, that is from where we came. You will see there are also other trails. One direction goes there, the other one goes in this way. But I will not be going anywhere, so I will just be going back. So yeah, very nice, very nice. Hello. And now we will look into the other direction that we didn't look into before. And you can see this very nice viewpoint. Oh, the grandiosity of this. Ah, nice. Or you will observe it is not as colorful as the other side. Yeah, but it has its own view, I would say. There are also stairs. I can see there are stairs, so you can also go down somehow. There is a trail that goes down and then comes up back again on the other side if you're interested. I will just walk like this to show what this side is about, and then maybe we will stop there somewhere. But this side is much more pretty. There are also lamp posts on this side, so therefore I cannot keep my arm out there for a very long time. You also see as that the sun is in this direction, and it might blind the camera and you might not be able to see a lot. But this is also a very nice view if the camera can capture it. Oh, nice. Very nice. Again, so there is this side. Now we are coming from there all the way here. This side, I like this more. And then there is this side with the valley. I hope you can hear the sound of the water flowing through the gates slowly. Let's go. Oh, so he has got an e-bike, and that is why he will be able to drive up this steep slope. Otherwise, no way. Oh my god. He's going so smoothly. I will turn around and have a look at this view again. Oh, nice. Very nice. Before we continue to go up, okay. It actually is hot today. The sun is shining very brightly and it really burns. Oh, very nice. The higher we go, the prettier it looks. Very nice. And again, one last look from here before we then go towards our car. Oh, it's a very beautiful view. I am happy that I was able to capture it today in this beautiful weather. Nice. Nice. Very nice. Let's go. And the sky is very nice and blue. And we are almost back. So that was our short 40-50 minutes journey to Talsperre, Saidenbach. People are cycling. And yeah, I think I remember when I was coming from that side, so I was only filming the direction towards the dam. This view towards Reifland is also very nice. You will see this dark greenery with a very blue sky and the trees coming over like an arc. Ah, nice. This is also a very picturesque place, I would say. You can just continue to walk and then you will see the beauty on this side. Nice, huh? Cool. And this is from where we started. And now we will end our journey here. So yeah, that was today's walk to Talsperre, Saidenbach from my side. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did.